Alright, this next song, guys, is by Bonobo. It's not quite trance samba, but it's, well, if you know who Bonobo is, they were in a lot of Toonami and Adult Swim TV and anime action flicks back in the day, and I find them really inspiring, and they just have really good music. And this song was in one of the somatic shaking meditations playlists that I looked up. And I was like, ooh, I gotta dance to that on the channel. I gotta show you guys. Now, we're gonna probably do 1 to 2 more of these because I just want to give you guys a range of like that African type style, like beats and like the trance and the from like the Ten Snake and the Swali artists that I played at the beginning to now Bonobo, which is a little bit more upbeat. You'll see. And then I think maybe the last one I'll start getting into a shuffle and showing you how you can add all of this together, and then you just become fluid. You become one with yourself, with your dancing self. Okay, so let's do one more song here. Maybe I'll only do half. It's like a 6-minute song. We'll see. Feel everything. Feel everything. We're about halfway through. I think what I'm gonna do is I almost got into a shuffle. I almost slipped. Now I am going to go into a shuffle for the rest of the song. And now you're gonna see the dots connect. You're gonna see how it all pulls together. You're gonna see that shuffling being a hard dance, underground dance, but you can also shuffle to anything at any beat, tempo. There is no limit. You are allowed to stop and pause and move your body to what the music is telling you to do. You don't always have to shuffle with your feet. Showing you what to do with upper body, to slow down and breathe a little bit. Now, sure, you could shuffle the whole time, just depends on the tempo, the genre, okay? And the drop, how many counts, or how many bars of music, or how many bars and 8 counts are in that drop, okay? But just know that once you practice what I'm preaching and teaching you right now, then go off and apply it to your shuffling. And see what it'll do. See what it will do to your style. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna get into it, and then I'll start shuffling. Okay, for the rest of the song. Here we go.